Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us where we discuss healthy eating and lifestyle choices. Today's topic is all about sesame seeds, their benefits and how to incorporate them into our diets to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Sesame seeds are a popular ingredient in many dishes around the world and are known for their amazing health benefits. So, let's dive in and learn more about how we can stay healthy by eating sesame seeds. Let's look at the nutritional value of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a rich source of various nutrients that our body needs to function properly. They are high in protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. For example, 1 ounce, 28 grams, of sesame seeds contains approximately 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and 14 grams of fat, including both polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. They also contain calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Therefore, incorporating sesame seeds into our diets can help us meet our daily nutritional requirements. What are the health benefits of sesame seeds? Sesame seeds have many health benefits, some of which include lowering cholesterol levels. The fiber and phytosterols present in sesame seeds can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Improving bone health. Sesame seeds are a rich source of calcium and other minerals that are essential for strong and healthy bones. Boosting the immune system. Sesame seeds are rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which can help improve our immune system. Reducing inflammation. Sesame seeds contain sesamin and sesamol, which are known to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Supporting digestive health. The fiber content in sesame seeds can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Now that we know the benefits of sesame seeds, let's discuss some ways to incorporate them into our diets. One way is to use sesame seeds as a topping. Sprinkle sesame seeds on your salads, roasted vegetables, or stir-fries. In smoothies, add sesame seeds to your smoothies for an extra boost of nutrition. In dips and spreads, add sesame seeds to hummus, tahini, or other dips and spreads for added flavor and nutrition. In baked goods, add sesame seeds to muffins, bread, or cookies for added crunch and nutrition. Here is a delicious recipe with sesame seeds. Honey sesame chicken stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breast. Cut into thin strips. 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, 1 sliced red bell pepper and 1 sliced green bell pepper, 1 sliced onion, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a bowl, toss the chicken with cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add the chicken and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until browned. Add the garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Stir in the soy sauce and honey until the chicken is coated. Add the sliced bell peppers and onion and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top and serve. Another recipe: sesame kale salad. Ingredients: 4 cups kale, chopped 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/4 cup sesame seeds, salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, massage the kale with olive oil and a pinch of salt until the kale softens. In a small bowl, whisk together the apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the kale and toss to combine. Toast the sesame seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Sprinkle the toasted sesame seeds over the salad and serve. Another recipe: banana bread with sesame seed. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 ripe bananas, mashed 1/2 cup sesame seeds. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually mix in the dry ingredients until just combined. Stir in the mashed bananas and sesame seeds. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. Allow the banana bread to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then remove it from the pan and cool completely on a wire rack. Now it is important to mention what precautions to take when consuming sesame seeds. Although sesame seeds are generally safe to consume, some people may have allergies to them. If you have a sesame seed allergy, avoid consuming them. Also, sesame seeds are high in calories, so it is important to consume them in moderation. Adding sesame seeds into our diets can help us meet our daily nutritional requirements and maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, the next time you are looking for a healthy snack or ingredient, don't forget about the benefits of sesame seeds. Thanks for joining, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and lifestyle content.